Hey everyone, we are thrilled to present the features of our AI chatbot. In this video, we'll walk you through how these features work. Now let us go through one by one through each of the features and their working. Now coming to the first feature is information retrieval from IDs. So this feature is mostly a use case for banks or financial services where they want to extract data from a user's PAN card, Aadhaar card or passport or any personal document which they are carrying. Now how it works is, now coming to the options, you can select one of the three options, which is Aadhaar card, PAN card or passport. Now I'll be going through the PAN card option. Now make sure that the PAN card or the document is in a JPG format. Now here, as you can see, it displays all the information that the PAN card has within the father's name, the date of birth, the name of the individual and the PAN number. Now we'll be taking you through the second feature of our AI chatbot, which is summarize document. Now this feature mostly helps to convert long form content such as articles, case studies into a short summary which is easily digestible by any individual, and it is more efficient reading the summary of the document rather than going through the whole article itself. Now here we will be showing you how the feature works. Just upload a PDF file. Now as you can see here, we have the summary of the document which we have uploaded, and most of the major points or the points which needs to be noticed has been highlighted here in form of a summary for the reader. Coming to our third feature is transcribe audio file. Now this feature can be used across different companies by their support teams. Now how will it help them is, suppose a customer team is on a call with the client and they would like to understand what had been spoken to the client and get it in a text format to understand the depth of the conversation, and mostly to understand if there was any mistake which had been done, or mostly to increase efficiency. So what we do here is we'll just upload a sample audio file. It can be in a .mp4 format or .wav format, and the audio file will be converted into a text. See, as you can see, here is the text which was there in the audio, and the same has been converted into a text here. Hello, how are you? Where are you going? May I know your name? Now coming back to our fourth feature is ask your query. This is a ChatGPT enabled AI feature. Now this feature is mostly to summarize the whole website or the business of a business. Now how it works is, this is a sample bot which we have already created in respect to our own business, which is Smartbot. Now suppose I'll be typing a question, what is Smartbot? Now as you can see, it gives me a very short answer, like Smartbot is an AI powered chatbot platform that helps businesses automate their customer service, marketing and sales process. Now this can be used also to generate multiple a knowledge base from different type of I would say documents, or also to create FAQs for your website. Now the next AI feature which we will be explaining is detect emotions. Now this feature is mostly used by customer support team, or mostly it can be used to automate your social media handles. So here how it works. Now here the chatbot is asking us a text or an input from our end, and we'll be entering a text. And see, as you can see, the emotion which was detected was excitement. So this was a text where the individual is explaining that she or he wants to go to the beach and have a long vacation. Now, how this can be used is, it can be used to automate your social media handles. Now, there can be multiple comments from different type of individuals regarding your product or services or your brands as well. It can be a negative comment or positive or just a feedback thanking you. So what you can do is, using this emotion detection, you can automate your social media handles, like sending in replies to your customers, comments or DMs. Now coming to the next feature which we will be going through is entity detection. In using this feature, you can mostly extract keywords or extract information from machine readable text, such as you want to identify a place, a person or any other entity from a sentence or a paragraph. For example, I'll just take you through it. Now, as you can see, it has extracted the keyword or the information Mumbai, and it has identified it as a location. This is how this feature works. Now, going to understand what is the use case of this, mostly this entity detection feature can be used to parse through resumes, like extracting skills from resumes for which the HR is being looking into. So, such as if there is a position of in a company for a Java developer, and the HR has posted a job, and there will be multiple resumes which will be coming in. Now, going through each and every resume might be a tough job for the human resource team. So what can be done here, using this feature, a specific set of data can be uploaded into the feature or into the bot, and those skill sets should be looked upon in every resume. If that matches, the relevant information is extracted and passed on to the team. Now coming to the next feature which we will be going through is entity detection. In using this feature, you can mostly extract keywords or extract information from machine readable text, such as you want to identify a place, a person or any other entity from a sentence or a paragraph. For example, I'll just take you through it. Now, as you can see, it has extracted the keyword or the information Mumbai, and it has identified it as a location. This is how this feature works. Now going to understand what is the use case of this, mostly this entity detection feature can be used to parse through resumes, like extracting skills from resumes for which the HR is being looking into. So such as if there is a position of in a company for a Java developer, and the HR has posted a job, and there will be multiple resumes which will be coming in. Now going through each and every resume might be a tough job for the human resource team. So what can be done here, using this feature, a specific set of data can be uploaded into the feature or into the bot, and those skill set should be looked upon in every resume. If that matches, the relevant information is extracted and passed on to the team. Now the next feature which we will be explaining is language translation. Now here what we have to do is select the source language. So the source language can be English. Now the query can be anything. Now what you can do is you have to just select the destination language. It can be anything like Bengali. I'll select here. As you can see, the text has been translated to Bengali. Now the use case of this language translation AI feature is mostly across agri-tech companies can use it to translate documents from English to any mother tongue such as Hindi, Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, so that the farmers can understand the documents easily in their own native tongue, and it will be easy for them to understand the information as well. Now second is what can be done is the legal documents translation. Now suppose there is a deal going on between any two companies across different nations. So the document can be converted from English to Spanish, English to Italian, or English to any Arabic. Now here we will be explaining our next feature, which is the face identification. Now face identification is a commonly used AI feature across different industries. Now to show you how it works, we will be just showing you a demonstration here. Now we will select the first option, which is detect faces from the given two options. We'll upload a .jpg image file, which is a file extension. And as you can see, the face has been highlighted in the image. Now that is how face detection usually works. Now the use case of this AI feature is mostly across different industries, but the most common use case is in education industry, mostly to map attendance of individuals across a school, college, or mostly it can be used by companies to monitor the entry and exits of their employees. Now moving to our last AI feature, which is the barcode detection. Now barcode detection is a commonly used AI application which is used across industries such as logistics and such as manufacturing units mostly to map their products, and as well as in logistics industries it is used to map the consignment which is being shipped from one source to other destination. Now how this barcode detection works is here we will be showing you a example from an image of a barcode. Now what happens is when you upload the image, the barcode is read and the characters hidden in it is displayed. Now how this works is usually the AI decodes the barcodes, and whatever is there encoded in these bars will be displayed to the user. Now the use case of this is mostly the common use cases across logistics industries. So how it can be used is now a consignment is being shipped from one place to another. To map if the consignment has reached the destination or not, these barcodes can be encoded on the consignment, and the same can be scanned when the consignment is being delivered on the destination, at the destination. I hope we were able to help you understand all our AI features, and in case if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below in the video, or else you can book a demo with us on smartbot.com, And we will also be sharing the AI feature chatbot link for you to try out. Thank you.